Right, morning team, how are we all doing? Good. The day is finally upon us. It feels like it's been a long time coming. This is obviously a really exciting day, for me personally, but for us to show you guys, I suppose, the fruits of all the hard work that's been going in behind the scenes, and what's very much the next phase of this really exciting business's growth. A lot of time, a lot of planning's gone into this, and I'm hoping you're gonna love your new HQ as much as I do. I think you'll find it's very Carparison. So yeah, this is it, the grand opening.